Okay, so we ordered the Baghail packing cubes from Amazon. They came in, I'm using this for size comparison. They came in this little package in the mail, came very quickly. Really happy with Amazon with that. But we got the set of, I think it was, I don't know how many packing cubes, maybe four packing cubes. It came with this laundry bag here, and it's just got a pull tab. And it came with a small size, which, if you can see, it just kind of looks like small size. And the zipper is actually really pretty good. It looks very durable. It's got zippy ties on both sides, so you can try to pack your stuff in there and zip from different. But if you can tell, it just seems like a really more heavy-duty zipper. And the seams look like they're doing good. Things look like, I mean, I guess it could kind of come out, but I guess we're just gonna see during the trip whether or not the zippers and the seams hold together. I'll be doing an update review. This is just kind of like the opening up, just kind of giving you the idea of what it looks like so far and the different sizes. But we're gonna be gone in Ireland for about 2 weeks. A little bit more than 2 weeks, and I'm gonna, if anything comes unstitched or if they perform poorly, I'll record that, and if we get through the whole trip and everything is good, then I'll record that and update this video. But for now, looks like super cute colors, looks like the zipper is good. Really glad that we also have a dirty clothes bag as well. And I guess I'll just update later so you can see how it performs.